here's how we can transfer everything from our Android device to iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So once you have the initial configuration or the first setup, once you choose the language and region, then we have the appearance. So once you choose that, we can press continue. Now over here, you can quickly set up your iPhone with another iPhone, but since we have Android, we have to skip that. So we're gonna press setup without another device. And then we need to choose our Wi-Fi network. So connect to your Wi-Fi unless you actually want to use the cellular or the mobile data. Then you can press continue without Wi-Fi. In my case, I decided to log or connect into my Wi-Fi, and then we need to wait a couple of minutes in order to wait for our iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max to activate. Then once you see data in privacy, we can press continue. Then we need to choose our age range, so in my case, I'm going to choose adult. You can immediately set up Face ID if you want to. So if you want to be able to unlock your iPhone with your face, then of course you can scan your face over there by pressing continue. You can also choose setup later in order to skip that for now. Now we can create an iPhone passcode. So you can enter the passcode that you wish to use for your iPhone. You can also tap on passcode options in order to choose any of these different options, including don't use passcode. In my case, I'm not gonna actually use the passcode, I'm gonna skip that. There we go. Later on in the settings, of course, we can set it up again. And then we have transfer your apps and data, and this is where we need to continue. Because over here we need to choose from Android. And then we need to get the move to iOS app, which we can find in the Play Store. So if you go to the Play Store, you should be able to just simply type move to iOS, and then you should be able to download and install the app. And we're gonna choose open. Now, after that, once you get the app, we can press continue over here, and then agree to terms and conditions. Over here, the app usage data can be set to don't send. And of course, you can connect your both devices together via cable. So if you have USB-C cable, for example, you can use the one that we have inside the box in order to connect both devices together. But in my case, I'm gonna actually use a wireless method. So I'm gonna tap on continue without Wi-Fi over here, and then you should be able to detect your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max on your Android. So we can select it over here. Make sure that you are using the same Wi-Fi network. Now over here we can press continue to get the code. Over here we're gonna press continue on our iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max in order to get the code. There we go. We need to enter the verification code on our Android. There we go. And then we can choose what we want to transfer. So we can transfer messages, contacts, call history, and so on and so forth. And even some apps can be transformed. Well, not transformed. They can be transferred, but only those that are actually available in the App Store. And in some cases you might miss certain apps, so you will have to go through apps that you have installed on your iPhone in order to make sure that everything is transferred. So I'm gonna select apps. I'm gonna also choose, let's go with maybe call history. Let's allow that, so in case you need to grant certain permissions, you can do that. I'm gonna also transfer photo library, and then we can press continue. And now we are transferring files. So depending how much data you need to transfer, this might take you quite a bit of time. In my case, I just had a couple of files that I needed to transfer, so that's all I have to do. So I can press done on my Android, and I can press continue on my iOS. And there we go. Now Android is pretty much done. You don't have to do anything on your Android anymore. Whereas on your iPhone, you can sign into the Apple account, and if you don't have an account, then you can press forgot password or don't have an account, and then over here we can choose to create a free Apple account over here. You can also skip that and set it up later in settings if you want to, and this is what I'm gonna do. However, keep in mind that certain features will not be accessible without the Apple account, such as the App Store, for example, or iCloud. Now over here we can choose if you want to update your iPhone automatically. I'm gonna choose only download. Then we can continue to use iMessage and FaceTime. Then we have location services, which you can enable or disable actually if you choose to set up later. Then we have the screen time, so I'm gonna once again choose set up later in the settings. Keep in mind that anything that you wish to do differently, you can still do that. This is just my steps that I want to do during this configuration. Now iPhone analytics, I don't want to share that. We can choose light, dark, or automatic display or theme. I'm gonna stick with light. Then we have the Apple Intelligence. I'm gonna actually agree to that. Over here, I'm just gonna skip these things. I don't need them right now. We have some information about the camera control, so you can check that out. We have the visual intelligence with camera control, so you can access the visual intelligence by using the camera control. Then we have the action button, which you can customize immediately, or you can press it now and do this later in settings. Then we have Siri, which you can also set up later in settings. We have information about emergency SOS, so we can press continue once you check them out. And I believe that should be it. However, in some cases you might also need to perform like a software update in the meantime, so you will have to wait for that as well. But then we can press get started. And there we go, we have transferred pretty much everything. Now, as you can see, we have the option to add Android device apps from the App Store. So you can press add apps. However, keep in mind that you need to have the Apple account to be able to do that. So in my case, I'm actually not gonna do that, but in your case, you probably want to do that. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.